Hi, this is Phanessa with Designs by Phanessa. Today's tutorial is on the chunky Granite Infinity Scarf. So here's the scarf that I completed. This is Loops and Threads Kaleidoscope in Opal. In today's tutorial, I will make a little sample. So here I have super bulky yarn, and this is Lion Brand's Hometown USA, so I'm just going to use this to crochet a sample. And so you'll need a crochet hook. I'm using a 12mm crochet hook. The yarn recommends 9 or 10. It's really up to you. You're just going to measure as you go, so you can use whichever size. You'll need scissors, and you'll need a tapestry needle with a large eye for the bulkier yarn. You'll need a tape measure so you know the size as you're working it, and a stitch marker because we are working in the round. Okay, so it's an adult size, 7 inches wide by 48 inches in circumference, and you can make it any size you'd like. So start with the slip knot. And I do have tutorials on the basic crochet stitches. So chain 90 or any even number of stitches, and this is the circumference size. Okay, so now you want to make sure your chain is not twisted. When you join, you want to join with a slip stitch to the very first that's twisted, so you don't want that it to look like that. So slip stitch to the first chain stitch to join, and then you want to start your round 1. So you're going to chain 2, and the chain 2 counts as 1 single crochet and a chain 1 stitch. Okay, so you're going to skip 1 stitch and 1 single crochet into the next, and then you will chain 1 and skip another stitch, and then you will single crochet into the next. So that's the repeat all the way around, is 1 single crochet, chain 1, skip a stitch, and then continue all the way around. So skip this one, 1 single crochet into the next, then you skip this stitch and 1 single crochet, so chain 1 and then skip and 1 single crochet into the next, and repeat that all the way around to the end of your round. Okay, so I've just completed a single crochet and chain 1. I'm going to skip this stitch and work a single crochet into the next, and then you want to chain 1, and you should have 1 stitch left, and this is the beginning chain 2, which counted as a single crochet and chain 1 space. So for round 2, you're going to work right into that space, work your first stitch, a single crochet. Okay, I'm going to place a stitch marker here to mark the first stitch of the round. We will work in a continuous round from now on. So this is your first single crochet right here, and then you are going to chain 1. You are going to start working into the chain 1 space. So these are the single crochets, and this is the chain 1 space in between. So you will work a single crochet right into the chain 1 space, and then chain 1, and then you will work another single crochet into the next chain 1 space, and these are the single crochets right here. So into the chain 1 space, work a single crochet. So repeat that all the way around. The repeat is 1 single crochet into the chain 1 space, and then chain 1, and then repeat around. Okay, so I'm at the end, so I'm back around to my stitch marker. You're just going to work in a continuous round, so work a single crochet right into the chain 1 space, and then work a chain 1, and then into the next chain 1 space you work a single crochet. So keep repeating that until you're happy with the width of your scarf. So I'm done with my little sample, and I'm back to the stitch marker. So let's say this is the width that I'm happy with. Okay, so I know I'm at the beginning of the round, so this is the width of your scarf. And so to fasten off, this is just a little sample. So here's my last single crochet stitch into the chain 1 space. I'm going to slip stitch right into the next stitch. So we're working in the stitch, not the chain 1 space. Okay, so that's how I'm going to join. And then, so I'm going to cut my yarn, leaving a tail. And I'm going to yarn over and pull this strand all the way through. And then just pull it tight. Now you're done. All you need to do is just weave in your ends. Alright, that's it. So flip it around. I'm going to remove this stitch marker. Oh, that's upside down, so let's turn it. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video tutorial. Please subscribe for more videos.